The Ovation, it still lives. I've been riding this thing since the 90s. I put it away in storage for a few years, and then I brought it back, hoping that one day I'd be able to pass it on to my kids. So in the meantime, while I continue to have fun, as it's such a light machine, I've provided a little bit of an upgrade to it. And what I've done is installed a heated visor cord as an accessory outlet. Typically that would be installed onto your helmet. In the meantime, I felt that I need to charge my phone more often now. As it gets cold in the wintertime, my battery depletes. What I've come up with is a small little USB charger I call Adrenalink. And what it is 2 ports. One for an RCA connection that would connect to your accessory cable, and then the other provides a USB output. Now, to install it, all you do is place 2 tie wraps around it and affix it to your steering column. There's a little hooked curve on the back of the enclosure to allow it to get snug up against any existing cables. Everyone has a different mount. This one has a shroud on it, but I can still hook it onto the side. And to install it, it's quite simple. It comes with a 6-inch cord. Plug that one in, and the other end goes onto your accessory cord. Place that where it's convenient for you, and carry on with the ride. Hope you enjoy it.